is certainly good for students. The tests are set with topics and tasks that are based on context familiar to the children who are learning English language at primary level. The test assesses all 4 language skills: reading, writing, speaking, and listening. Students prepare for the test by aiming to gain the required skills to attempt each of the parts, and so they would actually be expanding their knowledge and understanding the English language even more than when they prepare for the AEIS English exam, which tests only 2 of the skills, reading and writing. The CEQ tests are held frequently and may be attempted until successful, whereas the AEIS and AEIS exams are held only twice a year.